for reading The Funny Farm. Congratulations. You say? You're welcome. There you go. Take a bow. Okay. Then we have Allison Hetland for reading Bad Hair Day. How about a big hand? Let's clap for our readers. Congratulations. Then we have Oliver Sidney Leach for reading Hal and Sal. Congratulations, Oliver. There you go. Hello. Then we have Janelle Lewis for reading All Tutus Should Be. Congratulations. You're welcome. Take a bow. Crystal Aubrey Magtoto for reading We Went for a Sail. Congratulations. Here you go. You're welcome. Keisha Francine Morales for reading Pajama Party. Congratulations, Francine. Jan, you're not here. Jan's not here. Ronette Junel Pineda for reading Jog Frog Jog. Congratulations, Ronette. You're welcome. Take a bow. Angel Ayana Tamayo for reading Best Friends Wear Pink Tutus. Congratulations. Okay. Chris Leonard Tan for reading Johnny Appleseed. There's Anika calling ate. Congratulations, Chris. What do you say? You're welcome. Okay. There you have it, our readers. Can you all show them your certificates and say, I can read? Come on, everybody, let's say it together. I can read. Very good. Okay, Teacher Yak, please stay behind them so you can be included in the picture. For posterity. You can put it in the yearbook. Okay, very good. Smile. One more time.